If you're seeing a Mailchimp Google Translate extension error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This is a simple troubleshooting method you can try before doing anything more complicated, and it works especially well if the issue is being caused by a bad browser session, cached files, or a conflict with your current browser setup. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores a lot of temporary files, and sometimes those files can interfere with extensions or website tools like Mailchimp and Google Translate. To do that quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the clear browsing data window on most browsers. Once the window appears, make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. Those are the two main things we want to remove here. After that, uncheck the other options so you don't accidentally delete anything you still need, like saved passwords or browsing history if you want to keep it. Then click Delete Data or Clear Data, depending on your browser. Give it a moment to finish, and once it's done, refresh Mailchimp and check if the error is gone. If the extension still isn't working, the next best step is to switch to an Incognito window or try a different browser. This is useful because Incognito mode starts with a cleaner session and often avoids conflicts from extensions, cookies, or stored browser data. To open an Incognito window, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Then click New Incognito tab or New Incognito window. Once it opens, go back to Mailchimp and test the Google Translate extension again. If that doesn't solve it, try another browser entirely. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge, Firefox, or another browser you have installed. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser, and simply changing browsers can instantly fix the problem. After trying these steps, reload Mailchimp and see if the extension works properly. In most cases, clearing the cache and cookies or using Incognito mode is enough to resolve the error and get things running again. So to quickly recap, first clear your browser cache and cookies using Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. Then select cookies and cache, uncheck the rest, and delete the data. If the issue continues, open an Incognito window or switch to another browser and test again. That's the fastest way to fix this Mailchimp Google Translate extension error. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, tips, and quick fixes.